Hey guys, it's me, Josiah, again. So, I hope you liked the little Grandpa Joe skit I did a couple days ago. And, this is just a little vine that I've made. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it or not, but hey, I tried. Anyways, yeah, hope you like it. Have a lovely day. Peace.
Alright, gamers, let's get this bread. Doot.
No more, I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my daughter go now, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Well, that just sort of happened to me. I mean, I didn't even participate in that.
Hi, my name is... and my name is... and so I'm talking to you. Hello, my name is... and my name is... I'm... and my name is... That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
I know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in my mind, girl.
Really can't stay, baby, it's cold outside. I've got to go away, baby, it's cold.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
This kid finna knock himself out. I'm John Cena!
You're so stupid.
Good evening.
I've been really trying.
Michael, get up and get ready for school. No, I don't wanna go, no. Please, mama, don't make me go.
A new thing called Free Shavakadu. Free Shavak.
This for the A. Shawty, I don't. Before you open up the dirty window, the sun illuminated made the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
Baby changing station, baby hanging station.
When there's too much drama at school, all you gotta do is walk away.
Go ahead and introduce yourself. My name is Michael with a B, and I've been afraid of insects my entire...
Stop. Where?
Where's the bee?
There's a bee?
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
Avocado. Thanks.
We actually have the chip reader now.
Oh yeah?
Oh, it's not gonna work with that kind of
Transaction completed.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James.
Bop it. Twist it. Pull it.
Yeah, party to the river dog! Jordan's mom just died. Small kickback.
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow. Well, I'm a point guard. I got a shoe game and
Stop saying I look like Chicken Little. He's dumb and he's a coward, and I'm not a coward.
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas. No.
I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker. Butterfly Bentley. No! Bentley!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Target!
This kid's definitely on crack right now.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.
Zach, stop. Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
Zach.
If you love me, let me go.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at my
Hey! Hey! Shh! The baby's sleeping. Sorry. What's up? There's a fire. Adam!
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Whoa. Hurricane Katrina. More like Hurricane Tortilla.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay.
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino white. What will you learn? What will you learn? That your actions have consequences.
Later, Mom. What's up? Me and my boys going to see Uncle Cracker. Give him that back, Jordan. Do you want to go see Uncle Cracker? No.
Look it. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
Doing the people. Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
So you just gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift?
Happy birthday?
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
I got new shoes.
Every time you yell at your kids, put a quarter in your no yelling sock, and soon you'll have a weapon to beat.
I want a church girl that go to church and read her Bible.
I want a Jewish girl that go to temple
And read her Torah.
Dad, look, it's the good Kush.
This is the dollar store. How good can it be?
You are Cookie Monster.
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh,
Stopper gives you all your daily nutrients, like 0 grams of trans fat, and oh my god, cholesterol.
So I am confusion. Why is this one Kansas, but this one is not Arkansas? America, explain! Explain!
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
friends with the mob.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yes.
Where's the catnip?
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.